Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates and in-depth insights into the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated sports cars of the year, the 2025 Honda S2000. After years of speculation and rumors, Honda has finally resurrected its iconic Roadster, and it's everything enthusiasts have been hoping for. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge performance, the 2025 S2000 is a masterclass in engineering and innovation. Let's start with the exterior design. Honda has managed to blend the classic essence of the original S2000 with a modern and futuristic aesthetic. The long hood, low-slung profile, and short rear deck remain true to its roots, but the new S2000 features sharper lines, LED lighting, and aerodynamic enhancements that make it look more aggressive than ever. The design speaks to both nostalgia and progress, appealing to longtime fans and new drivers alike. It's clear that Honda has poured its heart into making the car a visual masterpiece. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda S2000 boasts a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 320 horsepower. This engine pays homage to the high-revving spirit of the original S2000 while incorporating modern turbocharging technology for greater efficiency and power. For purists, Honda offers a 6-speed manual transmission that promises an engaging driving experience. There's also an optional automatic transmission with paddle shifters for those who prefer convenience without sacrificing performance. The car is rear-wheel drive, staying true to the S2000's heritage as a driver-focused machine. The chassis and suspension have also seen significant upgrades. Built on a lightweight aluminum platform, the new S2000 features a near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution, ensuring exceptional handling and agility. The adaptive suspension system allows drivers to switch between comfort and performance modes, making the car versatile for both spirited drives and everyday commutes. The electronic limited-slip differential further enhances traction and cornering ability, ensuring the S2000 performs like a true sports car. Inside the cabin, Honda has struck a balance between luxury and minimalism. The 2025 S2000 features high-quality materials, supportive sports seats, and a driver-centric layout. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the infotainment system includes a touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda has also incorporated advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, making the car safer and more practical without compromising its sporty character. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Honda S2000 is its limited production. Honda plans to produce a set number of units each year, ensuring exclusivity and maintaining the car's desirability. Enthusiasts are already lining up to place their orders, and it's expected to be one of the hottest cars on the market. With its blend of timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, the 2025 Honda S2000 is a fitting tribute to the legacy of its predecessor. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Honda S2000. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new S2000 and whether it lives up to the hype. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.